Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to walk you through exactly how I did this mini twist on my natural hair. I actually did this hairstyle during a live video last week, and I know not everyone was able to watch it, so I wanted to film this tutorial for those of you who missed it. For product, I used this olive oil mousse this time, and honestly I loved the results. So to make sure my twists were secure and didn't unravel, I started each one with a 3-strand braid. I braided about 5 to 6 times before switching to 2 strands. So this made the base firm and helped the twist to last longer. After that, I just added some mousse and twisted gently all the way down to the ends. The mousse also helped the twist to curl up a little bit at the ends, which gave them a cute bounce. I applied just enough to coat the ends, not too much because I didn't want it to foam up excessively. On a few parts, I applied a little bit of gel just on the roots to help lay them down a bit smoother, especially around the front. But I noticed that even without the gel, the mousse alone did a really great job. So if you have a mousse that you trust or prefer, just try it and let me know in the comment section your go-to product when doing 2-strand twists. I didn't twist too tightly, just firm enough to keep it neat, and when I got to the ends, the twist naturally bounced back a little, and I loved that. Now I want to share some extra tips that made this style a success. First of all, work on stretched dry hair. I didn't dampen my hair at all before starting. I think the mousse really added enough moisture on its own, and twisting on dry stretched hair gave me more length and avoided excess shrinkage, which is perfect if you're going for a fuller and a longer look. Second tip, do not skip the braid at the base. That little braiding at the start of each twist really helps to keep the roots look neat and secure, especially for type 4 hair, which can sometimes puff up quickly at the roots. Braiding first gives a more polished look at the end. So tip number 3 is to use smaller sections if you're going for your fuller bulky volume. If your hair isn't super thick, try making your twists super small. That's what I did, and it made the style look more fuller overall. Plus, smaller twists tend to last longer and they're easier to style in different ways. And tip number 4, when doing this hairstyle, please take your breaks if needed. Mini twists really can take a while. This took me like about 5.5 hours, but I really broke it into 2 sections and just took my time. I first did 3 hours and then I later on finished the 2 hours 30 the next day. So it made it really easier. No need to rush. You can even twist over 2 days if that makes it easier for you. And the last tip is to just protect your hair at night. You can use a satin scarf or a bonnet to just protect your hair overnight. I'll probably wear this look for about 2 to 3 weeks before taking it down. It's a very perfect low manipulation protective hairstyle for my natural hair. So that's how I achieved my mini twist on my awkward length type 4 hair. It's a very simple yet elegant protective style that doesn't require too many products. You can even do this without products if you have like high volume hair, I think. And it's super beginner friendly if you take your time and just follow these simple steps. Let me know in the comments if you have tried mini twist before and the products you've used, or if you're planning to try this method. And if you watched the live and decided to come back for this tutorial again, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. So do not forget to like this video, to comment, and just let me know if you've tried this before or the products that you've used. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I'm going to be sharing the different styles that I'm going to do on my mini twist. If you want to learn more about that, don't forget to subscribe, and also share this video with someone who might need a cute low maintenance hairstyle idea. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.